Right, so hey guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you on how to fix the installation error 2803 in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So it's a very simple fix, and let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Google browser or any type of browser that you're using. Okay, and then you're going to search Visual C++ redistributable. Okay, and then you can see the first link here. Make sure it's from Microsoft. Okay, and click on that, latest supported Visual C++. Then you're going to go down. You can see here you can click on the X64-bit if your PC is 64-bit. So you can check that by opening your Windows Explorer, going into this PC, right click on it and click on properties. This big, and you can see it right here, system type 64-bit. so it's your PC can be either 64-bit or 32-bit. So for 32-bit you can download this version, for 64-bit you can download this version. So I'm going to download on this and let it install. Okay, open it up, agree, install, yes. If you've installed this and it comes off as repair, you just click on repair. Okay, so once you're done with that, you're going to click on your start button and you're going to click on this and restart your computer. So once you restarted your computer, everything should be back to as it is and it should install fine without giving it that error. So that's all for this video, guys. Do support by liking, sharing and subscribing, and yeah, thanks for watching, folks.